Welcome, everyone. Today we practice English in a very important real-life situation. We are at a bank.
Yes, this is a slow English conversation for beginners at A1 and A2 level. We will speak slowly and clearly so you can understand every word.
In this conversation, a customer is opening a new bank account for the very first time. You will learn how to ask questions politely. You will learn important banking vocabulary.
You will also learn how to fill in forms and understand the bank staff clearly. This is real-life English for everyday life. Let us begin right now. Good morning. Welcome to Citibank. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I would like to open a new bank account, please.
Of course, I can help you with that. My name is Sarah. Please have a seat.
Thank you. My name is David. I have never opened a bank account before, so I am a little nervous.
Please do not worry, David. I will explain everything step by step. It is a simple process. Do you have any identification with you today?
Yes, I have my passport here. Is that okay?
That is perfect. A passport is the best form of identification. I will also need proof of your address. Do you have a recent utility bill or a bank letter with your name and address on it?
I have a gas bill from last month. Is that acceptable?
Yes, that is fine. A utility bill from the last 3 months is acceptable. May I look at both documents, please?
Of course. Here they are.
Thank you, David. I will just take a moment to check these. Everything looks good. Now I would like to ask you a few questions. Are you currently employed or are you a student?
I am employed. I work at a small restaurant as a chef.
Very good. And are you paid monthly or weekly?
I am paid weekly. Every Friday my salary comes into my old account. But I want to change to this bank now because it is closer to my home.
I understand completely. Convenience is very important. Now, David, there are 2 main types of bank accounts I can offer you today. The first is a current account. This is best for everyday use. You can spend money, receive your salary, and set up direct debits for bills.
What is a direct debit?
A direct debit is when you give the bank permission to pay a bill automatically every month. For example, your phone bill or your electricity bill. The money leaves your account on the same date every month without you needing to do anything.
Oh, I see. That is very convenient. So I never forget to pay my bills.
Exactly. Many people use direct debits for their regular payments. The second type of account is a savings account. This is for money you want to keep safe and not spend every day. With a savings account, you can earn a small amount of interest.
What does interest mean in banking?
Interest is extra money that the bank adds to your savings. For example, if you save £100, the bank may add a small percentage to it over time. So your money grows slowly while it sits in the bank.
That sounds useful. Can I have both accounts at the same time?
Yes, many customers have both a current account for daily spending and a savings account for putting money aside. Both accounts will be linked and you can transfer money between them easily online or on your phone.
That is very good. I think I would like both, please.
Excellent choice. Now I need you to fill in this application form. I will help you with any parts you do not understand. Do not worry, it is not complicated.
Thank you. I appreciate that. English forms can sometimes be confusing.
I understand completely. Let us go through it together. At the top, please write your full legal name exactly as it appears on your passport.
Okay. My full name is David Emmanuel Okoro. Shall I write it in capital letters?
Yes, please. Capital letters are clearer. Now below that, please write your date of birth in this format. Day, then month, then year.
My date of birth is the 15th of March, 1992.
Perfect. Now please write your current home address including your postcode or zip code.
I live at 42 Green Road in London. My postcode is SW124BT.
Very good. And your phone number and email address in the next 2 boxes, please.
Of course. Here they are.
Thank you. Now for this section, I need to ask you a few standard security questions. This is to protect your account. First, do you want to set up online banking?
Yes, please. I would like to manage my money on my phone if possible.
Absolutely. We have a very good banking app. Once your account is active, I will send you a link to download it. You will be able to check your balance, make transfers, and pay bills all from your phone.
That is exactly what I need. Will there be a monthly fee for the account?
The current account has no monthly fee if you pay in at least £500 per month. Since you receive a weekly salary, this should not be a problem. The savings account is completely free with no conditions.
That is very good. And how long will it take to activate the account?
Your current account will be active within 1 to 2 working days. You will receive a welcome letter at your home address, and your debit card will arrive within 5 to 7 working days.
What is a debit card?
A debit card is a small plastic card that you use to pay for things without using cash. When you pay with a debit card, the money comes directly out of your bank account. It is different from a credit card where you borrow money first and pay it back later.
I understand, so a debit card uses my own money and a credit card uses borrowed money.
That is exactly right. You explained it very well.
Thank you. This is all very new to me, but you are explaining everything very clearly.
You are asking excellent questions, David. Many people do not ask, and then they get confused later. Is there anything else you would like to know before we finish?
Yes, what happens if I lose my debit card? What should I do?
That is a very important question. If you lose your card, you must contact us immediately. You can call our 24-hour helpline or you can block the card yourself through the banking app. Once the card is blocked, no one can use it. We will then send you a replacement card within 3 to 5 working days.
That is reassuring to know. I feel much better about everything now.
I am glad. You have been a wonderful customer, David. You asked great questions and you filled in everything correctly. Let me just submit your application now.
Thank you so much, Sarah. You were very patient and clear. I really appreciated your help.
It was my pleasure. Welcome to Citibank, David. We hope you will be happy with us.
I am sure I will be. Thank you again.
Now let us speak to our viewers.
Did you understand that conversation? We talked about opening a bank account in English.
We learned very important banking vocabulary. We talked about a current account and a savings account.
We learned about direct debits and interest and debit cards and credit cards.
We also practiced filling in a form in English, and we learned how to ask polite questions.
Let us now review the key vocabulary from this conversation.
A current account is a bank account you use for everyday spending and receiving your salary.
A savings account is a bank account where you keep money safe and earn interest over time.
A direct debit is an automatic payment that leaves your account on a fixed date every month.
Interest is extra money that the bank pays you for keeping your savings with them.
A debit card is a card that lets you pay for things using money already in your account.
A credit card is a card that lets you borrow money from the bank and pay it back later.
Proof of address is a document that shows where you live. For example, a utility bill.
Identification is a document that proves who you are. For example, a passport or driving license.
Very good. Now let us do a short speaking practice. I will ask a question and you say the answer out loud.
How would you ask to open a bank account in English? Think of your answer now.
You could say, I would like to open a new bank account, please.
Or you could say, good morning. I am here to open a bank account today. Can you help me, please?
Both are polite and clear. Now how would you ask about fees in English?
You could say, is there a monthly fee for this account?
Or you could say, does this account cost anything each month?
Very good. Simple and direct questions are always best in formal situations.
Remember, in banking English, it is important to speak politely and clearly. Always use please and thank you. Always listen carefully before you answer.
And do not be afraid to say, I do not understand. Can you explain that again, please? That is a very useful phrase in any formal situation.
Now a message for all our viewers. Banking in a new language can feel very intimidating, but with the right vocabulary and a little confidence, you can do it.
You are learning English every day, and every day you get a little stronger and a little more confident.
If this conversation helped you today, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports our channel.
And write in the comments, have you ever opened a bank account in English? Tell us your experience below.
Subscribe to our channel for a new slow English conversation every week.
Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep learning. Keep going. You are doing wonderfully.
Goodbye. See you soon.